Did you know your cat might be mimicking birds? Yeah, those strange little chirps and chatters they make at the window? That's not just random noise. When cats see birds or squirrels outside, they sometimes make these rapid, high-pitched sounds, like they're trying to speak bird. Some experts believe it's a predator tactic. Your cat is imitating the sounds of prey to get closer without being noticed. Others think it's pure frustration. Their hunting instincts are firing, but they can't actually pounce. Either way, your adorable house cat? They're basically running a mini wildlife mission. From the windowsill, nature's most dramatic indoor hunter. Follow for more strange but true cat facts.